What's this cocktail got to do with Black Sabbath? I guess I can stick around and find out. Greetings and salutations, you're the lovely Jones, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. So, what does today's cocktail have to do with Black Sabbath? Well, nothing. They just happen to share a name. We're going to do the Never Say Die out of Beachbum Berry's Grog cocktail book. And I figured this is a perfect opportunity with Black Sabbath wrapping up their long career and just doing their final concert, that we'll just pull them into the mix. Yeah, I'm sure Black Sabbath and Tiki doesn't seem like they overlap very well, but we all know Ozzy's probably had a Mai Tai or two in his lifetime, so we'll make it work. And as always, I am not a bartender. Don't take any of this as bartender advice, so let's try this cocktail. All right. And as always, with these tiki drinks, you have a lot of fruit juices in this one, and lots of rum. And today we are going to try my hand at my new toy. I figure if I'm gonna keep trying some of these little tiki drinks, I might as well break down and get me one of these Hamilton Beach blenders. Maybe I'll learn how to make milkshakes one day on the show. Who knows? Cross our fingers that we don't hurt ourselves trying to make this drink. We got some more crushed ice in here. This one's pretty simple. Most of the juices are all the same amount, so we'll just break it down and start from the top. So we got half an ounce of grapefruit juice, half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of orange juice. Now here's where it varies just a little bit. That's a quarter of an ounce of pineapple juice. Now I'm going to do half an ounce of honey syrup. In the recipe, he says to heat the honey up, but I just went and made honey syrup. If you've never made honey syrup, it's just 1-to-1, just like making simple syrup. Pretty easy. Half an ounce of honey syrup. Got 1 ounce of Barbados Rum. Half an ounce of Jamaican Rum. Half an ounce of Puerto Rican Rum. And a dash of Angostura. All right, cross your fingers. I don't spill this everywhere. I found these cool see-through tiki mugs. Let's give them a shot. All right. My drink almost fills that mug up, so let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, it's not too strong. Very fruity. I think it will sneak up on you. Yeah, that's pretty good. You know, you probably can make it a little stronger. Probably can bump up the rums a little bit, but not trying to make it a zombie or anything. But yeah, that's pretty good. Well, while we're talking about Sabbath, I guess y'all seen that they put their final show out, and the good and bad of it, it was still a nice send-off. At least the guys got to go out on their own terms, and you know, a little tear in my eye toward the end, you know, watching the old man rock it down one last time, you know. And then seeing a lot of the other guys, the other bands doing the big super groups, you know, it's like they look like a bunch of teenagers playing Black Sabbath with their friends. You know, they all look like they 15 again. Yeah, they all know they had a good time, you know. But yeah, that was pretty good. But yeah, if you are wondering how can you make Sabbath and Tiki work, well, pick up Jazz Sabbath. So, piano trio, piano, bass, and drums. All Black Sabbath songs. Just put it on, make some tiki drinks. Your friends will all think it's all light 50s jazz, and they won't know the difference. But yeah, you know, Sabbath was a good part of our childhood, you know, and just makes you think about you're getting older. I'm not gonna cry. I swear I'm not gonna cry. Let's have a few more of these. Well, in the meantime, thank you, Ozzy, Tony, Bill, and Geezer. Oh, and thank you, Big Tron Berry, too, for the drink. I don't know what to do. Until next time, cheers.